In 2025, local search engine optimization has become essential for businesses aiming to connect with customers nearby. The surge in near-me searches, up 500% in recent years, reflects a major shift toward location-based queries. With 80% of local searches resulting in customer conversions, optimizing for local SEO is now a critical factor for visibility and growth. As mobile and voice search continue to influence how people seek information, reaching local customers has never been more important. This shift means users are increasingly looking for solutions close to home, placing a premium on convenience and immediacy. For businesses, adapting their online presence to support local discovery is now a vital part of staying competitive. The impact of local searches extends beyond the digital realm. An impressive 76% of mobile users who conduct local searches visit a business within a day, and 28% of those visits lead to a purchase. These statistics underscore how a strong local SEO strategy can directly influence real-world buying decisions. Online reviews have become a powerful influence on consumer choices. Over 90% of people read reviews before visiting a local business, and 88% trust these reviews as much as recommendations from friends or family. Managing feedback effectively is now essential for building trust and attracting new customers. Optimizing your Google Business profile can dramatically enhance both visibility and credibility. Businesses with complete profiles are significantly more likely to attract visits and be chosen by potential customers. Accurate details, such as location, hours, and reviews, help users make confident decisions and encourage real-world engagement. Mobile and voice technologies are now at the forefront of local search. With more than half of local queries coming from mobile devices and voice search usage on the rise, businesses must ensure their websites are mobile optimized and ready for voice interactions. Fast load times and clear local information are key to improving both visibility and user satisfaction. Artificial intelligence is transforming local SEO by making content creation, keyword research, and optimization more efficient. As most SEO marketers adopt AI tools, businesses can quickly generate relevant content, analyze search trends, and refine their strategies to stay ahead in local search rankings. In summary, local SEO in 2025 serves as a vital link between businesses and their nearby customers. By adopting location-based strategies, managing online reviews, optimizing Google Business profiles, and leveraging AI-driven tools, companies can attract and convert local audiences, ensuring ongoing growth and relevance in an ever-evolving digital landscape.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more digital marketing tips every week.